Very important to check the dry motor oil because the dry motor is very expensive. I'm changing the dry motor on the right side of a T590. The reason why it won't go because nobody would check the dry motor oil, and so it ran and burnt up the brake disc in the dry motor to where the brake disc just went into pieces, and it causes metal to grind in the bearings and stuff inside the dry motor. Fluid coming out the bottom plug when it's straight up and down, you okay. But if you do a maintenance to it, a 500-hour service, make sure you put 12 ounces of the dry motor fluid in there. Some machines are different, it just depends on what model, but the T590s are 12 fluid ounces. Now I'm replacing it with a whole new one. The machine is gonna perform spectacular.